Hello, Ma'am and Sir. This is Lubel Balanci from the Philippines. I'm 35 years old. I am a mother of two girls, aged 8 years old and 12 years old. I worked in Hong Kong before, taking care of two kids. When I arrived, their age is one year and 8 months old. The youngest and the oldest is 5 years old. I lived with them for almost 7 years, but unfortunately they migrated to the UK, so I decided to go back home to the Philippines, and now I want to work again in Hong Kong. My main duty for them is to take care of the kids, do all the household, marketing, car washing, ironing, wash clothes and dishes, bring the kids to school, attend a different kind of lesson like piano, their art lesson, their English lesson, their swimming lesson. And because Mom and Sir is always at work, they leave home early at 6 o'clock and come back for dinner at 7 o'clock. So I am the only one who take care of the two kids until I finished 2 contracts with them, and the last one I didn't finish because they already migrated to the UK. So I am hardworking and I am very patient. So I hope to see you in the future. Thank you.